a voluntary conversion or reconversion or forced conversion? What kind of faith politics is this in a state where now Yogi Adityanath says Taj Mahal was originally a temple? What really is going on? Most importantly, the question I'd like answered is, what is the Bharatiya Janata Party doing? Does the BJP approve of this kind of forced conversion? On the debate tonight, Asaduddin Owaisi, leader of the AIMIM, Kamal Farooqi, political analyst earlier with the Samajwadi Party, Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi, chairman of the Imam Council of India, Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party. On the other side, taking them on, Pandit Ajay Gautam, spokesperson of the Shankaracharya of Dwarkadhish Peeth, Swami Chakrapani, president of the Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha. And my first question is to Sudhanshu Trivedi. What are you allowing, Mr. Trivedi? What next will happen in our country? The government schemes are being given out to people if they agree to become Hindus. This is the corruption of the government scheme. It's a criminalization of the government scheme. And I'm sure that had it been anyone else but someone associated with the RSS, you would have acted. But because it's the RSS involved or some group called the Dharma Jagran Samanvay Vibhag, which is an offshoot of the RSS, you can't do anything. Are you so weak that you will allow government schemes to be criminalized and corrupted in this manner and do nothing? Are government schemes only meant for Hindus, Mr. Trivedi? Is this India first?
Arnav, we should try to be slightly rational while analyzing the situation. As it is shown on your television channel, a person who is also already having an electoral ID card, even after that, for requiring a simple ration card or an ID card, he is ready to change his religion. This is a matter of grave concern for the government of Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, but who's exploiting it?
This shows the collapse of the entire administrative machinery.
But you are exploiting it, you are allowing the RSS to exploit it. No, that's not the issue. No, that's not the Gaurav Bhatia. I'll go to Gaurav Bhatia immediately. It's an open debate. I'm opening up the debate. Let's get the other point of view.
Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned.
No, sir.
As far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, we are categorical that by any persuasion or by forced proposition, if a religion is changed, it is wrong. But this is our policy since last 60 years.
Don't give me a theoretical policy.
Yogi Commission report.
Don't give me a theoretical policy, give me a real policy.
The conversion of Meenakshi-Puram Dalits to Muslims when Indira Gandhi has to intervene, our policy was same. In 1987, Arunachal Pradesh government, which has banned the entry of the Christian missionaries, our policy was same.
Sir,
in 2008, Kandhamal,
what was my question?
Government was
what was my question? Sir, what was my question? No, what was my question? What was my question?
Judicial scrutiny.
No. What was? No, 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia, 1 minute. No, 1 second. 1 second. This is what has happened.
The statement is something.
My question is, no, 1 second. 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia, before you come in, gentlemen.
Have a proper scrutiny.
Before you come in
and give an assurance that the person is doing by his or her own will, then do it.
Sir, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. No. First of all, Gaurav, 1 minute before I come to you. Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, the viewer must understand what we are debating. No, 1 second.
Arnav, you have said that there should not be no celebration. Arnav, you have said there should be no celebration. I would like to ask, in 2008, when Pope visited India and he said that the first millennium was for Europe, second millennium was for Africa, and third millennium is for Asia. And then in the same visit, thousands of tribals converted in Odisha into Pope. Nobody raised the voice. Was it a forced conversion or was it self?
Have you finished? No, have you finished? Have you finished? Have you finished? 1 minute. Have you finished?
Have you finished? Out with rationality.
Okay, Mr. Trivedi. No, 1 second. No, before you come in, Gaurav Bhatia, before you come in, I have 1 point to make. What are we debating today?
Yeah.
Mr. Trivedi, you know, you can be of any religion that you choose. It's a totally personal matter. Am I talking about a person's right to be a Hindu, Muslim? If a Hindu wants to become a Muslim, Muslim wants to become a Hindu, Muslim wants to be Christian, Christian wants to be Sikh, it's their business, okay? I am talking about whether this was a voluntary or involuntary conversion. From what the charge against you, that is the RSS, is that it was conversion by inducement, because those at the receiving end of these conversions have themselves claimed these conversions are not voluntary. They are saying we are being given some ID, BPL cards, ration cards and other inducements. I am saying my government, my government, I am a taxpayer, I fund the government money is mine. I don't want my taxpayer money to be spent among people. You go around poor people and say, are you a Hindu? No. Okay, will you become a Hindu? Then we'll give you a BPL card. Will you become a Hindu? We'll give you a ration card. That poor person is the most desperate person. Why do you pick up the most desperate people for your conversion campaigns? Gaurav Bhatia is responding to you now. Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia.
Arnab, I think no matter how hard or how loud Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi shouts, but he still cannot answer the deafening silence of Mr. Narendra Modi or Mr. Yogi Adityanath on the activities of the RSS, of the Bajrang Dal. And today, the minority minister, Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, on the floor of the House, he should have assured every parliamentarian and citizen of this country that there will be no forced conversions. And what was the minority minister worried about? He said, please don't drag the RSS. Is the minister now the spokesperson of the RSS?
Yeah.
Gaurav, it is your government. Come out with the inquiry and prove this was forced conversion. That's our stand is. There should not be any forced conversion.
Than the elected leader of this country. The RSS is dictating the agenda of this government. And now Mr. Yogi Adityanath says he will go and attend the function at Aligarh on 25th December. Had he been expelled from the party, if his membership of MP had been taken on the first occasion, he would not have been boldened to say today what he said. But that is the politics of BJP, that today RSS, Bajrang Dal, they are calling the shots and they are trying to do communal politics, especially in the state of UP.
Yeah, and
Mr.
these are the
Narendra
words.
Modi needs to act.
These
Mr.
are the
Narendra
words.
Modi needs to now
I
act.
know what is the wrong in it.
Well, what is
I
wrong?
have the statement of the Chief Minister of
Any
Kerala.
forced conversion, the BJP misses the point. Any forced conversion is illegal. It is against the constitution. It can be a forced conversion of a
Absolutely.
Hindu. It can be a forced conversion of a Muslim. But they will not understand this distinction. And
Why
they
you
want to
remember the
criminalize
constitution when
entire
the matter is
country
related to
and
the
state of
Hinduism?
UP especially.
When
That's why I am
2,500
saying,
Hindu women
read the
converted
report from
in
the various
Islam
state governments
on the name
from
of
Madhya
love,
Pradesh
jihad,
to
then
Tamil Nadu,
why
from
you are
Himachal,
not arguing about the
in the last 50
constitution of
years.
India?
Then come for discussion.
What has any action been taken against Mr. Yogi Adityanath?
And if I go by the logic of Gaurav Bhatia, then his party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav,
is campaigning in Delhi. No action has been taken. You leave other leaders. You are the central government. You first talk about your own government and the failures of this government. Pointing fingers at others.
Gaurav Bhatia, if I go by your logic, your party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav has openly said that
Okay, go. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Let me read out something. 1 minute. Let me read out something. Let me read out something.
By your logic, your chief should have been sacked.
Let me read out something. Let me read out something. Let me read out something, gentlemen. Give me a minute. No, please give me a minute.
Did the Prime Minister...
Rajeshwar Singh.
What action you have taken?
Rajeshwar Singh. Suniye, Sudhanshu ji, suniye.
Indian Army.
Against him.
Suniye, both of you one. Rajeshwar Singh is the regional head. Rajeshwar Singh is the regional head of the Dharma Jagran Samanvay Vibhag. He has been quoted as saying, and I'll get Asaduddin Owaisi and 1 minute. I'll get Asaduddin Owaisi and Swami Chakrapani now. Please 1 minute. Please just listen to me. He says, okay, Rajeshwar Singh says, he says that the RSS has taken possession of as many as 60 churches in the state, churches, where no Christians worship now. He's very happy because they've all reconverted to Hinduism. And then he says, एक दिन मुझे ये जो बात कह रहा हूं स्वामी चक्रपाणी जी आपसे सवाल है, ये राजेश्वर सिंह कहते हैं कि एक दिन इन गिरजाघरों की दीवारें भी गिर जाएंगी, एक दिन इन गिरजाघरों की दीवारें भी गिर जाएंगी और हमारा देश सिर्फ हिंदुओं का होगा। आप क्या ऐसे वक्तव्य से सहमत है?
देखिए ऐसा है कि
आप क्या ऐसे वक्तव्य से सहमत है?
किसी गिरजाघर नहीं, मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूं कि धर्म का जो मूल है वो सत्य, अहिंसा, करुणा, दया, प्रेम है, न कि पूजा पद्धति। और यहाँ तो पूजा पद्धति बदला गया है। जैसे कोई राजनीतिक व्यक्ति अपनी सत्ता प्राप्ति के लिए राजनीतिक पार्टी बदलता है, उसी तरह स्वर्ग, मोक्ष और परमात्मा की प्राप्ति के लिए वो पूजा पद्धति बदलता है। तो इसको इस रूप में लिया जाना चाहिए। जहां तक गिरजाघर गिराने की बात, दीवार गिराने की बात,
कल अगर कोई ये बात कहे आपसे,
सबका है,
कल अगर ये बात कहे, मेरी बात सुनिए स्वामी चक्रपाणी जी, मेरी बात सुनिए, कल अगर कोई ये बात कहे कि देखिए लोगों को अपने जो मूल जो सिचुएशन है, जो अपने ओरिजिनल पोजीशन है, उसमें जानी चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं कि इंडिया, बेसिकली योर आर्गुमेंट इज Kamal Farooqi and Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi can answer, and I'm worried by Asaduddin Owaisi is quiet. I'll go to him last. 1 minute. Now the question is that his argument is Maulana Kazmi and Kamal Farooqi that India is originally a Hindu nation. I said at the start of News Hour tonight, if somebody says humankind's origins are traced to Adam and Eve, let us all reconvert to Christianity.
Adam and Eve is not a part of Hindu mythology.
So what? That's what I'm saying. Don't you understand my point?
Of Hinduism.
That's what I'm saying.
And
that if somebody says there are references to Adam and Eve, if there are references to Adam andEve in the Bible,
Now you are having just one side of knowledge.
Why can't
If
you
it is
ask
said
the
that Adam and Eve, it is written
have they
2000
read
years
the
back.
constitution
We
of the
talk about
country?
और श्रद्धा और मनु ने ये बनाया, ये तो 5000 साल पहले की इतिहास में लिखा
only the
है।
Gita.
So by which history
We
you are
don't
saying
read the
that everybody
Bible.
was created by Adam and Eve?
Arnab, please ask the so-called Hindu pro-panelists, have they read the constitution? Have they read Article 25?
I have read the
What does it
constitution.
say? What
I have
about
read the
secular
constitution.
principles?
I have gone through the Article 25, which is give the guarantee to propagate my religion.
So,
Do you have
if
read
there
the
is a forced
and what do you
conversion of a
think?
Muslim,
What do you
is it
think?
okay with
The
you?
Indian
Tell
if
me
Indian
this.
constitution is
Guruji,
secular, if
Guruji,
Indian constitution
Guruji,
is secular,
आप तो
then
बहुत
why the act
समझदार
become
हैं।
on the name of religion?
Guruji,
If Indian
आप बड़े
constitution is
समझदार हैं,
secular,
मुझे ये
I
बताइए
said if Indian
कि अगर एक मुस्लिम
constitution
का
is secular,
या एक सिख
why
का
the act is become
धर्मांतरण
on the
हो
name
गया,
of
वो ठीक
religion?
है।
tonight an argument put.
Why the
I don't understand Pandit Gautam. You see, Pandit Gautam. You say you know the constitution. I know the constitution too. It depends on how you look at it. Okay, my understanding is different. Completely different from
I
yours.
have a simple
No,
question.
my understanding is complete. विपरीत है आपसे. विपरीत है आपसे सहमत नहीं हूं मैं.
अगर किसी
25 और 26 ने एक मिनट. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के धारा 25 आर्टिकल.
My simple question is
आप मेरी बात सुनिए. Listen to me.
Constitution is secular. Why the acts become on the name of religion?
I am putting that question. There are others who are on the panel. Kamal Farooqi and Mr. Kazmi. Maulana Kazmi and Kamal Farooqi. May you want to respond? I have my own response to Pandit Gautam, but after Kamal Farooqi.
We cannot match Dr. Gautam's loud voice. In fact, we are sensible people. We would like to have a sensible talk over here. And I would mention, Arnab, 2-3 things here. One, yes, Gaurav Bhatia has got a big role to play now because certain wrong things have been committed over there, which is illegal. They have to take an action against Mr. Rajeshwar Singh and Mr. Nandkishore. They have to take it. Number one. Number two, in fact, he's talking about the constitution. He has not read the constitution. Constitution nowhere says that it's a Hindu state. It's a secular state of which I am a proud
I said
citizen
it
of
will
it.
become.
Please,
It will become. I have not said.
Let him speak.
When you are talking,
I said it will
when you
become.
are talking, I was not there. Please keep
It
shut.
will become only a
Arnab
Hindu
Goswami, please don't allow him to talk like this.
Miss Pandit Ajay Gautam, let him complete. He heard you.
Yes.
You hear him.
Yeah.
He heard you. You heard him.
Don't say
Two
like
panelists
this.
haven't even
He's
spoken.
the
1
only
minute.
sensible
Let
person
Kamal
I know.
Farooqi complete.
This is my voice. I have to use as
Please
per my
let me
own
complete.
voice.
I have
So he
two
don't
more-
give the certificate for the
I have
sensible
two
and
more
not
points to
sensible.
make. Arnab, please allow
Kamal
me to
Farooqui
complete.
should be allowed
Please
to
allow.
complete his point.
Please, number two, I am grateful to Times Now. In fact, if we would have said this, whatever you have taken the interviews afterwards, nobody would have believed. But a wonderful channel like yours, they have taken the interviews and you have, जैसे कहते हैं ना, दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी आपने कर दिया. So we are grateful to you. The third thing is, onus of proof is always on the person, in fact, who is doing a wrong thing to a weaker section. So these people are the poor. In fact, you have already said it. And the fourth and the last thing which I want to mention, this is the model state which they have been talking about, the Gujarat. And in this case, they have said, in fact, about the that no person shall convert or attempt to convert either directly or otherwise any person from any religion to another by use of force or by allurement or by any fraudulent means, nor shall any person abet. Whether they agree for this or not, if they agree for this, they should be prosecuted.
Now what are you holding up, Pandit Ajay? What are you holding up? Let
I am holding a statement of the Chief Minister of Kerala. He stated that September 4, 2012, over 2,500 women converted to Islam in Kerala since 2006. This is the statement of a responsible.
Simple question is.
When the something
Simple question to you, Pandit Ajay Gautam. Pandit Ajay Gautam of the Hindu Mahasabha Yami.
Then everybody.
No, one minute. No, watch. I think I should let Maulana Kazmi speak, but no. 1 second. You have to prove that there was inducement. Now let me say this. If a single Hindu was converted to Islam through inducement, it is wrong. If a single Hindu is converted to Christianity through inducement, it is illegal.
Complaint lodged? Was there any complaint lodged? The way the
700, 500. No, I show you the data. I have the complete data. 2,876 case was reported and 705 cases.
Forcible or not?
I have the complete data. If you want to send, then I will show you in camera.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, forcible or not? Prove to me it was forcible. Maulana Kazmi, you can't prove. Maulana Kazmi. Asaduddin Owaisi, I am intrigued with your silence. I am intrigued by Asaduddin Owaisi's silence tonight. 1 sec. Maulana Kazmi, and after that Asaduddin Owaisi. Yeah, go ahead, Maulana.
Since NDA government has taken place in its center, there is a spate of provocative actions, aggression, using provocative languages from Muzaffarnagar, Yogi Adityanath, Giriraj Singh, and this person who used to be very active in Ram Temple movement. They all have been given free hands. There are two things. Either these people are out to defame Narendra Modi, or Narendra Modi ji is patronizing them. My question is that where has gone their Sabka Saath and Sabka Vikas slogan? Second thing, in Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP's leaders are competing with each other to be more and big and worst hatemonger in order to get reward from central government. From the very beginning, Narendra Modi ji has induced Giriraj Kishore after giving a statement, non-BJP people to go to thrown away in Pakistan. He was given cabinet, he was given a berth in ministry. And then Yogi Adityanath, the most, I was not interfering you. I didn't come into you. Let me speak. This is not. Let me speak. You don't come into me.
No, I don't understand. I'm passing it on to Asaduddin Owaisi. Asaduddin Owaisi
was given the hero campaign.
I want to answer this question.
I've heard all sides.
I want to answer.
I have heard all sides. I have heard all sides so far except Mr. Owaisi. And I'd like to give you my view before I go to Mr. My view is, whether India was a Hindu nation or not originally, the fact is that independent India certainly is not a Hindu nation. We live by a constitution. The constitution allows the freedom of religion according to Article 24, 25 and 26, which also means I am surprised Pandit Ajay Gautam doesn't know. He's a lawyer. That nobody has any right to convert any individual to any religion against their will or through inducement.
I am propagating my religion. I am not saying
you are forcing.
Deliberately
by inducement, by fraud.
Asaduddin Owaisi, welcome to the debate. Mr. Owaisi,
allow conversion.
Mr. Owaisi, there are three arguments.
Does Hindu Dharam allow? According to my humble knowledge.
My question is to Asaduddin Owaisi, and Mr. Owaisi, please hear me. Mr. Owaisi, there are three arguments that have been put by the other side in support of their position on this reconversion. One point is that others have also converted. What's the big deal if the Hindus are now beginning to reconvert people? Second point of Sudhanshu Trivedi is that there is nothing to prove that anything wrong has happened. This is an individual will of a person. We can't do anything about it. And the third, of course, is that, you know, this is not something which the government needs to take any responsibility of. The RSS is an independent organization to nothing to do with the government. Your response before I take it back to Sudhanshu Trivedi. Asaduddin Owaisi.
Arnab, I would like to make four specific points over here, and I hope that the exhausted highness over there would not really interrupt me. The first point is that the Hindutva forces have innate hatred towards Muslims, Christians and Dalits. Yes, and the second point, Arnab, is that the philosophy of Hindutva forces is that they consider Muslims and Christians as inferior, and they have to be converted to be treated as equal citizens. I would like to give a specific example of what happened in Shivpur in Madhya Pradesh in September. 4 Dalits converted to Christianity. The Madhya Pradesh government didn't allow them to convert to Islam. Bajrang Dal went and took possession of their lands, and they were again forcibly reconverted. The fourth point which I would like to point out to the BJP member over there is that when Mr. Modi talks about India first as a religion, Mr. Modi is conveniently playing what I call this dog whistle politics. He has this message to the nation, but there is a coded message to his followers. So I would call it a dog whistle politics. And the last point is that the Samajwadi Party representative, I must really commend him for shouting. But why hasn't his chief minister spoken a single word against what happened in Agra? Why hasn't the Samajwadi government arrested Mr. Yogi Adityanath? Why hasn't the Samajwadi Party arrested Mr. Rajeshwar Singh so far? I hope that the Samajwadi Party representative, instead of wasting his voice over here, should go and give some wisdom to his chief minister that Mr. Chief Minister, walk the talk. Please arrest all these people and at least let the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh issue a strong statement. The Samajwadi Party has no spine to face the BJP, and they are conveniently very happy because they want Muslims of Uttar Pradesh to feel insecure. Because once they feel insecure from the Hindutva forces, immediately saviors of Masiha of Muslim community will come like some sort of Superman. Oh, here we have arrived and will support you. Samajwadi Party has not learned the lessons of Muzaffarnagar by conniving with Hindutva forces. You have lost the Lok Sabha elections. Now you are going to lose the assembly elections. I hope that the Samajwadi Party would rise up and arrest those people instead of giving grandiose statements over here.
Which people? You want Rajeshwar Singh arrested? Mr. Owaisi, you want Rajeshwar Singh arrested? 1 minute. Owaisi ji, 1 minute. No, Gaurav, I'll let you. Gaurav, I will let you.
I want to report.
Gaurav, I will let you. Now, please hear me. 1 minute, Pandit Ajay Gautam. Mr. Owaisi, you want Rajeshwar Singh arrested? आप चाहते हैं कि राजेश्वर सिंह को गिरफ्तार किया जाए? ओवैसी जी, मैं आपसे दोबारा पूछ रहा हूं.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, I am saying this because in your introductory remarks, you have said what Rajeshwar Singh had said. What he had said was that we have taken over 600 churches.
Let's put him on it.
Isn't that a crime under 295A IPC?
Ji.
Isn't that, I am quoting from what you have said.
Yes.
Now, if what you have said is, I assume it is true, and what Mr. Rajeshwar Singh has also said, that we will cleanse the Hindu society. The Hindu wave has just begun. In 10 years, we will convert all Christians and Muslims. Now, right to religion is a fundamental right, but to convert is not a fundamental right. And if that is the case, I challenge the BJP government to give Muslims and Dalit status, to remove that conversion bill, remove it from law, from Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh,
Rajeshwar Singh ji, sun lijiye please, aapke paas aa raha hu.
Let there be a level playing field.
Mr. Rajeshwar Singh, no, 1 minute. Mr. Rajeshwar Singh, who is the regional head of the Dharma Jagran Samanvay Vibhag, is joining me from Aligarh. राजेश्वर सिंह जी, मैं अर्नब गोस्वामी बोल रहा हूं. आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है
जी. तो पहला सवाल मेरा आपसे ये है कि आप वहां पे जहां पे ये कन्वर्जन्स हो रहे थे, वहां पे आप खुद थे?
मैं था.
अच्छा, दूसरा सवाल, आप धर्म नो 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 मेरी दो तीन सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए, दो तीन सवाल, उसके बाद आप बोलिए। आप धर्म जागरण समन्वय विभाग के मेंबर हैं और ये धर्म जागरण समन्वय विभाग आरएसएस का ही एक ऑफशूट है, एम आई राइट?
नो नो, धर्म जागरण विभाग स्वतंत्र है, आर्य समाज के साथ मिलकर काम करता है।
अच्छा, तो ये अगर ये आप कह रहे हैं ये वॉलेंट्री ड्राइव थी, तो फिर आपके वहां पे होने की क्या जरूरत थी?
जी,
अगर वॉलेंट्री लोग स्वतंत्र अपनी ओर से अपना रिलीजन चेंज कर, आप क्या कर रहे थे वहां पे?
कोई भी हमारा हिंदू, सुनिए, कोई भी हमारा हिंदू जो ठाकुरों से, ब्राह्मणों से, बनियों से, चमारों से, कुमारों से जो हिंदू से मुसलमान ईसाई बना है और वो मुसलमान से फिर हिंदू बनना चाहता है तो हम उसको बनाएंगे।
नहीं, आप कौन है बनाने वाले?
में कोई भी ऐसा है मुसलमान नहीं है।
एक मिनट, आपके पास क्या प्रूफ है?
मुसलमान किसने बनाया? अरे
एक मिनट, राजेश्वर सिंह जी, सवाल आपको असदुद्दीन ओवैसी कर रहे हैं जी। मिस्टर ओवैसी, गो अहेड मिस्टर ओवैसी।
राजेश्वर सिंह जी, क्या आप नजमा हेपतुल्ला को और मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी का भी घर वापसी करेंगे? ये दोनों मिनिस्टर भी हैं, आप उनको जाके दावत दीजिए, उनकी भी घर वापसी करिए।
बिल्कुल करेंगे,
और करेंगे,
इनकी भी घर वापसी
तो
करेंगे
आप
और
पहले उनको करिए,
करेंगे। आप भी ब्राह्मणों से मुसलमान
घर वापसी करिए।
आप भी
शाहनवाज हुसैन को करिए,
आप भी ब्राह्मणों से
पहले
मुसलमान
आपकी पार्टी में है ना।
आप भी ब्राह्मणों से मुसलमान बने, हम आपको भी जानते हैं। आपको भी करेंगे।
नहीं, हम नहीं कर रहे हैं। नजमा हेपतुल्ला की घर वापसी करेंगे आप?
मुसलमान हो सकता है
और क्या आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जो मुसलमान है उनकी कोई इज्जत नहीं है हिंदुस्तान में? क्या आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि मैं हिंदू होऊंगा तो इज्जत है इस मुल्क में?
खूब इज्जत है, लेकिन जो मुसलमान हिंदू से मुसलमान
और आप किस तरह कौन सा राशन कार्ड दे रहे हैं?
अगर वो चाहता है
कौन सा राशन कार्ड आप दे सकते? कहां का राशन कार्ड दे रहे हैं आप?
अब दूसरा सवाल करो, एक मिनट देखिए राजेश्वर सिंह जी, एक मिनट
से मुसलमान बने तो हम मुसलमान से हिंदू भी बना सकते हैं।
एक मिनट देखिए राजेश्वर सिंह जी, अपनी आप एक असदुद्दीन ओवैसी 1 मिनट, जरा शांत हो जाइए राजेश्वर सिंह जी, जब बात सुनिए। आज आप एक बात कहिए, आप कौन होते हैं? आप कौन है राजेश्वर सिंह जी? जो नो एक मिनट, हिंदू मैं भी हूं, मुझे हिंदुत्व मत सिखाइए। मैं आपसे, हिंदू समाज से हम भी है, मत सिखाइए, मत सिखाइए, अब मत सिखाइए, अब मत कहिए आज कि आप ही हिंदू धर्म क्या है आप ही जानते हैं। मेरी बात सुनिए, कई हिंदू है, नहीं आपने ठेका नहीं लेके रखा है, आपने ठेका लेके नहीं रखा है,
तो मुसलमान से
मेरी बात सुनिए, आपने ठेका लेके नहीं रखा है सारे हिंदू धर्म का। मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं कि आप गरीब लोगों को बीपीएल कार्ड देने वाले कौन होते हैं? आप कौन होते हैं? आप बीपीएल कार्ड देने वाले? आप सरकार है, आप पुलिस है, आप डीएम है, आप कौन है?
अरे सरकार देती है, हम नहीं देते हैं। और सुन लो, हम हिंदू हैं और देश हमारा है और देशभक्ति पर एकाधिकार किसी का नहीं हो सकता है।
1 minute, no, let him be on it. 1 second. Now Sudhanshu Trivedi. No, 1 second. No, I want to know why Sudhanshu Trivedi is quiet. Sudhanshu Trivedi, आप चुप क्यों हैं? आपके आंखों के सामने एक व्यक्ति ऐसे है जो इस तरह की बात कर रहे हैं। कैसी कायरता है ये? What kind of cowardice is it? ये कैसी भाषा आप अलाउ कर रहे हैं? आपने कहा था इंडिया फर्स्ट। 1 मिनट, आप मुझे कहिए, इज दिस इंडिया फर्स्ट? ये जो भाषा कह रहे हैं आप, मुझे पता है आप क्या कहेंगे, मैं इससे सहमत नहीं हूं, मगर मैं कुछ करने वाला भी नहीं हूं, और मैं राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ को भी कुछ नहीं कहूंगा ना। फिर
देश हमारा है।
अरे छोड़िए, देश सबका है, आप कौन होते हैं?
और देशभक्ति
आप कहां से आए, कहां से टपके हैं आप?
हम देश के लिए काम करेंगे।
देश के लिए सब लोग काम करते हैं, देश का जो बंटवारा करते हैं धर्म के नाम पर, वो काम नहीं करते। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
हम बंटवारा नहीं करते हैं।
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
बंटवारा मुसलमान।
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, आंसर मी टुडे।
हिंदू को मुसलमान
आप मत कीजिए। राजेश्वर सिंह, 1 मिनट। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
बांग्लादेश बनाया।
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, प्लीज
करना चाहते हैं।
मिस्टर राजेश्वर सिंह, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग। ये नफरत फैलाने वाली बात आप कहीं और कीजिए। आपको फायदा हो सकता है, देश को नहीं होता। और आपने कोई ठेका लेके नहीं रखा है सारे हिंदू धर्म का,
फैला रहे हैं।
आप नहीं है।